Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply for DBS if you're gonna apply for PCO license in London. Before they have a different website, now they have a new website. So let's start without wasting time. So you're gonna go into the Google Chrome and you're gonna write it down first advantage online disclosure, as you can see on the screen. Then you're gonna click on the registration step 1. You're gonna write down registration step 1, so just click on that. Then he's asking for org pin, organization pin, your full name, email address, and confirm email address. So org pin, if you apply for your private hire license, they provide you in the application pack, but I'm gonna show you. So this is the page of one of the page when you receive the application pack. This page is going to be given, so it's telling you how you can apply for DBS, but I'm gonna tell you now, so don't worry about that. So this org pin and org name and the secret word is given over here. So we're gonna put in all the details in that website. So it's 104172. So you're gonna put the organization pin over here, 104172. You're gonna put the name as well. I'm gonna put the names, and you're gonna put your email address. So the next step is asking for secret word. So we know the secret word is given is TPHCRB. TPHCRB. Then I confirm. You're gonna put your password as well, any. So complete registration. Never. So then he's asking for begin the application. So you're gonna read this one. If you apply for DBS standard for enhanced check, I have read the standard enhanced check privacy policy. You're gonna just tick it and tick and proceed with the application. Okay, then you're gonna put your details over here. So I'm gonna put the details over here. Is male, you put Mr. So I'm gonna put this roughly name, so don't worry about that. Do you have a middle name? No. Have you been known by any other name? No. You're gonna put the date of birth. I'm gonna put roughly. Town you born in, you have to put it there. I'm gonna put just any ABC. Country you born in is optional. If you want to put it, you can. Country where you born in, so born in Pakistan, I'm gonna put Pakistan. Birth of nationality is optional, it's up to you if you want to put it. Do you have any of the following form of ID? National insurance number, valid driving license, valid passport. So which one do you have? You're gonna click on that. So I have all. So you're gonna put your national insurance number, and if you're asking for driving license, you're gonna put it over there. And if your passport, then you're gonna put the number passport as well. So when you put that details, it's gonna take you the next page. Contact details. So your phone number is optional. If you want to put it, you should put it, because they can call you if they need any documents. I'm not gonna put it over here. So address, you're gonna put 5 years your previous address. So I'm gonna put it over there. I'm gonna skip this one. So but you have to do this one for you. So after putting this address is the roughly address, so I'm gonna proceed. So you need 5 years your address. So I'm gonna proceed to the next step. Asking for confirm. So yeah, I put that one. So proceed to the next step. So asking for verification document. So they're asking for now verification document. What is your position within the organizations? So you're a private hire. So current nationality. So I'm gonna put our UK here. Select verification document. So you're gonna click on that. So you're asking for current valid passport, then current UK channel Islay of man driving license if you have. So whatever document do you have, you're gonna put that one. So if you read this one, it's telling you at least one document should be from group 1. So this is group 1. So you're gonna select anyone. If you have a passport, driving license, birth certificate, biometric resident permit, current EA driving license, adaptation certificate, you're gonna click that one. So I'm gonna click my driving license. So you're gonna put all the details over there if you have that one. Okay, after putting one details, so you're gonna go to the view group 2 documents. Yeah, so you have to select 2 document from here. So I select one, I'm gonna select the other one. So when you select these 2, then you're gonna view group 2 documents. You're gonna click on that. So group 2 document is asking for current UK. So you're gonna provide anyone the documents as well. Then 2B documents. So it's up to you which one do you have. So I'm gonna click this one. Then you're gonna select any one document from the group 2B documents. So I'm gonna put my bank statement. I'm gonna put the date over here. Just try to put your latest date. Then it's going to be so issue within last 12 months. So I'm going to select these one as well. So when you select one document from here, so you're going to select any one, then it will say you have selected enough documents. Now you can now proceed to step 4 below, jump to the bottom of the page. So yeah, proceed to the 4 now. So you're gonna confirm this as well. At least one of the document, because at least one of the document selected contains a current address. So at least one of the document selected contains date of birth. So current statement. So the current address is going to be the statement or the driving license. The date of birth could be your passport, biometric card, or your driving license. Documentary evidence was provided after application, but name and the name changes where applicable. Yeah, you're gonna tick this as well. So proceed to the step 4. Now it's asking for organization name, which is that one. Personal reference number is up to you if you wanna put it, but you don't need it. I would like to be updated of my application via email. So if you wanna get by email as well update, you can click on that. It's up to you. It's better if you to click it, because then you're gonna get the update. Do you have any convictions, cautions? If you have, then no, then click no. So I'm gonna click this one, then confirm and submit the application. So I'm gonna do this one. So your application has been submitted for verification. You have selected the following identity documents. So this one I selected it. So what is going to be happen next? So it's asking for what is going to be happen next. So please complete the following step. Print your ID verification service form, which is going to be over here. Then print in the black and white, print to full scale, print on A4 paper. Then it said take the original ID, photocopies and internet downloads not acceptable, together with a print out of the ID verification service from a participating post office before 29/7. This will give you the date as well. Means you're gonna take all the documents which you selected it, and this form. So I'm gonna, if you click on print document selection, so it's gonna take you over here. So you're gonna print this one. and take to the post office and with your document, and just pay the fees. Little fees, going to be fees as well. And you just wait. Then they will send your DBS within 10 days, and you're gonna receive by post, and they will send this one to TFL as well, one copy to TFL. Okay guys, hope so you enjoy this video and like it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video and if it's going to be information for you. So if you want to apply for PCO, if you need more information, you can ask me. And if you want to watch my more videos, I'm going to tell you there's my more